Here's the app called Finelo Master Trading, Become an Expert in Trading. Pretty cool idea. So instead of learning language or some history, you can also start to learn trading. I haven't seen an app like that before, to be honest. So all-in-one trading, learning platform and tools. Finalo gives you everything you need to learn, analyze, and trade smarter all in one place. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Finalo combines AI-powered tools with expert education to help you navigate the markets with confidence. AI chart analyzer, smarter, faster trading. Snap and analyze, upload any chart, and AI detects trends, patterns, and key levels. Save time, trade smarter, works for any market. Master trading with expert education, pro level courses. And then you can just see the details, 300 plus lesson, trading hour simulator, show your learning progression, challenge yourself, learn, trade, succeed. And then, yeah, just double click to install it. And then here, yeah, you can just see the details. And then, yeah, you can just open it up. Unleashing your trading potential, just get started. Trading challenge. And then you can just select skip, continue. And then there are, again, a lot of questions. So this is, you can see the example. And then, of course, you can see your plans. There is free trial, weekly, or monthly. And that's basically how it goes. So weekly, after 3-day trial, or you can start in here. So bunch of here, and then you can see they compare it with Finalo, Starbucks, or courses. And that's just what you're getting in here. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. And that's what it is.